Welcome to the Marketing Analytics course, your gateway to unlocking the full potential of data-driven marketing. In today's competitive business landscape, understanding your marketing performance is important for driving growth, boosting efficiency, and ensuring your resources are being invested wisely. That's where Marketing Analytics comes in. In this course, you'll learn how to harness the power of data to make informed, impactful decisions that will transform your marketing strategy and deliver measurable results. Whether you're a marketing analyst, a data scientist, an analytics manager, or marketing manager, a business owner, or someone looking to learn a new field of knowledge, this course is designed to equip you with the essential tools, techniques, and frameworks to thrive in today's data-driven marketing world. You'll discover how to gather, interpret, and act on key marketing insights that directly impact your business success. What you'll learn. At first, we will start our analytical journey and learn how to acquire customers. We'll learn most important metrics and the key of their creation. Learn where to start to work with data. Build data pipeline with several tools, Python, SQL, and etc. These metrics are the building blocks of a well-optimized marketing strategy. Throughout the course, you'll not only learn how to measure these KPIs, but more importantly, how to drive them carefully from acquisition to customer engagement with apps, and drive sustained business growth with churn. Why this course? Here is a proper structure of iterative customer journey development, with clear metrics definitions provided with formulas, a practical pipeline with code in Python and SQL that you can start immediately implementing on your data. You'll get sufficient theoretical knowledge with good structure, certificate to present at the interview, and code that you can implement to your pipeline. By the end of the course, you'll have the expertise and confidence to not only track marketing performance, but also to predict segments, improve customer acquisition strategies, and optimize your entire marketing funnel. With each module, you'll unlock deeper insights into the customer journey, ensuring you can make data-backed decisions that fuel long-term success. The average global salary for data analysts, marketing analysts, and data scientists can vary significantly based on factors like country, experience level, and industry. Similar trends may follow globally, with salaries in countries like Canada and the UK being slightly lower than in the US. These figures can differ greatly depending on the country, industry, and level of experience, with more senior roles earning significantly more. Who is this course for? Students and beginners interested in starting a career in marketing analytics. Marketing analysts and data analysts looking to sharpen their data skills and boost their ROI. Data scientists who want to apply their analytical knowledge in the marketing domain. Mobile app developers aiming to optimize their marketing spend and grow their customer base. Business owners seeking a better understanding of how marketing impacts their KPIs. Whether you're working in B2B, B2C, or e-commerce, this course is tailored to give you the analytical framework necessary to navigate the fast-paced world of digital marketing. We've designed this course to be beginner-friendly, even if you're new to data analysis or coding. As part of the course, you'll get the description of how to install apps, which apps are recommended to do that type of analytics, where you can build those types of data sets. We'll help you get set up with essential tools like Anaconda and Jupyter Notebook. If you haven't worked with these tools before, don't worry. We'll provide explanations, step-by-step instructions on how to install them, and get started with your first marketing analysis project.